Hello friends, welcome to our channel Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for steno legal dictations. Be ready for the dictation for the aspirants who are preparing for Punjab and Haryana subordinate court stenographer exam. Start. The language used in section 15 is the ability to understand the consequences of the offense. Full stop. The expression used is in plurality, that is, consequences of the offense, and therefore would not just be confined to the immediate consequence of the offense, or that the occurrence of the offense would only have its consequence upon the victim, but it would also take within its ambit the consequences which may fall upon not only the victim as a result of the assault, but also on the family of the victim, on the child, his family, and that too not only immediate consequences but also the far-reaching consequences in future. Full stop. Consequences could be in material oblique physical form, but also affecting the mind and the psychology of the child for all times to come. Full stop. The consequences of the offense could be numerous and manifold, which cannot be just linked to a framework, and this purpose the overall picture as also future consequences with reference to the facts of the case are required to be consciously analyzed by the board. Full stop. Stanza. Consequences for the victim could be his death or permanent physical disability or an injury which could be repaired or recovered. The impact of the offense on the mind of the victim may be prolonged and continue for his lifetime. The impact on the family and friends of the victim, both mental and financial consequence on the child going into incarceration, mental impact on the child. It could be repentance or remorse for life, the social stigma cast on the child and his family members, the consequences of litigating, and so many other things which would be difficult to adumbrate. Full stop. Stanza. It is not under dispute that the right of the victim is one of the important aspects to be kept in mind by the JJB at the time of conducting proceedings under the Act of 2015. However, it is also equally important to apply all the safeguards provided under the Act. Full stop. The object behind enactment of the Act of 2015 is not to punish the civilians but to provide them such an atmosphere so that they can be reformed and ultimately be read oblique read justed in the mainstream of the society. Full stop. Moreover, the Honorable Supreme Court has, in Barun Chandra Thakur's case, within bracket Supra, has made it mandatory to while making preliminary assessment take the assistance of experienced psychologists or psychological workers or other experts, full stop and over। सो ये हमारी डिक्टेशन थी हाई कोर्ट और पंजाब एंड हरियाणा सबऑर्डिनेट कोर्ट एग्जाम के लिए। अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा एंड मस्ट सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल फॉर मोर डिक्टेशन। थैंक्स टू ऑल, बी प्रैक्टिस फॉर अ बेटर फ्यूचर।